Namaskar everyone from Buddha Stupa, Kathmandu Valley, Nepal. The question is, what is the difference between a transcendental state and the natural state? For what I observe around and the way people speak or behave, for my understanding, I can only share my experience, not really going into any debates. Maybe my reflection will help you to ask yourself the questions or to observe about what you think is your natural state or not. Maybe you are just in a state of transcendence, which in my point of view is very different from natural state. Actually, it is very difficult to be able to point out this difference unless you have already some experience in natural state. But aware experience, but this is natural state. Otherwise, how can you compare? You might debate with mental ideas, maybe connected to emptiness, maybe connected to that, oh, it's all there, and so many words. But maybe different. In the simple words, transcending means, you're above all. It's almost like your consciousness is up in space, and then it's looking down of what is here. The identification is the space as what we call consciousness above. And you are kind of detached from all that here. But I don't think that Dzogchen is like this. You experience that in the emptiness state, but there is the emptiness. Maybe you identify yourself to emptiness, but this is not Dzogchen. Emptiness is another experience. Like transcendence is another experience. Like bliss is another experience. Like vision, clarity, manifestation is another experience. But natural state is within all that experience, the same, not changing. So it's not a question about transcending thing. Okay, all is empty, this doesn't exist, so no problem. I am just like in the pure light, I observe all this, Most of the time it's from above the head, but people experience that. But in Dzogchen, we talk about integration of a state. It means whatever experience you have, you recognize your true nature within that. Very different, Or maybe you're going to do some Kundalini yoga, let's say. And then you rise your Shakti very high. And you are full of bliss, so happy, so full of energy. But that's an experience, not your natural state. Natural state is there, but are you aware of it or not? Or maybe you go do some like a TM meditation. I'm sorry, I don't want to bring any negativity around that, or anyone else, but I try to describe different experiences. Or you are in this transcendence, because that's the name of the meditation, transcendental meditation. So you are kind of seeing things from a higher point of view. But this is not natural state. Natural state is within that, if you are aware of it. So that's what I want to share today. Thank you.